Hey everyone, welcome to SyncWin Tools. I am Ishan and in today's video I am going to teach you the step-by-step process of connecting Fluent Forms free with Drip using Bitflows. If you have ever wanted to send data from Fluent Forms to Drip for providing customer support or running email marketing campaigns right from your Drip account, all without upgrading to the Fluent Forms Pro plan, then this tutorial is for you. Before we begin, note that this method works only if you already have Bitflows Pro in your toolkit. If you do, then let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Bitflows plugin. Once you are there, click on the Flows tab from the sidebar. You will see an option to create flow. Click on it and a pop-up will appear. Select the blank flow option and hit create. This will open up a blank workspace where you will build your workflow. To begin the setup, click on select app inside the blank workflow. From the list of available apps, choose Fluent Forms and select the appropriate trigger action. Next, select the form you want to collect data from, in our case the opt-in form. Once you have selected the form, click on Listen Response to initiate a connection test. Go to the front end of your website, fill out the form and submit it. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the submitted data appear inside Bitflows. Now it's time to connect Drip. Right next to Fluent Forms, you will see an option to select app. Just click on it and choose Drip from the list and the appropriate action. To set up the connection, click on Add Connection and enter your API key. If you are unsure where to find your API key, I have linked a guide in the description below. Once the connection is established, select the Drip account list and map the Fluent Forms fields and their values from the Fluent Forms data. Before wrapping up, it's essential to test if everything is working smoothly. Click on Test Flow once and then Listen Response. Return to your website front end to submit another form entry. Go back to Fluent Forms and navigate to the log section. If you see your submitted data there, then the integration is successfully executed. For double confirmation, log into your Drip account and check if the data is reflected there as well. And that's it. You have successfully connected Fluent Forms free with Drip using Bitflows without needing the Pro plan of Fluent Forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on more useful tutorials like this. Want to explore Bitflows further? Check out our dedicated showcase page for more details, ongoing deals and additional resources. The links are right in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.